Hey guys, so today I'll name the 107 provinces of Italy, and like Jake Leons did make a video on this, and I think it's worth mentioning, so I'll link it down in the description. But anyways, yeah, let me just start. Click restart, and yep, first one here is Agrigento, then Barletta, Andria Trani, Biella, Lucca, Caserta, Pavia, Pesaro e Urbino, Ascoli Piceno, Matera, Potenza, what's that? Messina, Asti, Novara, um, Crotone, Udine, Ma, wait, no, Cremona, Taran, wait, Taranto, Tarantani, Taranto, yeah, okay, Napoli, Ferrara, Bolzano, um, Terni, Bologna, Lecce, L'Aquila, Avellino, Verbano, Cusio, Ossola, Cuneo, Varese, La Spezia, Livorno, Rieti, Bari, Reggio Calabria, Foggia, Genova, Massa Carrara, Cagliari, Parma, which I think is the city where Parmesan cheese came from, Milano, Gorizia, Enna, Lecco, Palermo, wait, Verona, Perugia, Mantova, Grosseto, Savona, Trapani, okay, that's better, Siena, Ravenna, Benevento, oh my god, I can't type, Benevento, Vicenza, Roma, Chieti, Cosenza, Ragusa, Rimini, Aosta, Lodi, Reggio Emilia, what's that? Belluno, Catanzaro, Sassari, Venezia, Viterbo, Vercelli, Bergamo, Ancona, Treviso, no, Siracusa, Piacenza, Imperia, Teramo, Vibo Valentia, Catania, Fermo, Sondrio, Sondrio, and that one, Oristano, Firenze, which is just Florence, Frosinone, Sud Sardegna, Southern Sardinia, Prato, Brindisi, Latina, yeah, Latina, Nuoro, Trieste, Campobasso, Salerno. Wait, I think it just got brighter for no reason. Modena, Brescia, Torino, Alessandria, Macerata, Caltanissetta, Isernia, Arezzo, Pescara, Pistoia, Pisa, Padova, Como, Pordenone, what's Forli, Cesena, Monza e Brianza, Trento, and Rovigo. There you go, 100%. That's actually the first time I got 100%. So yeah, anyways, if you enjoyed watching, leave a like or something, and yep, goodbye.